Certainly. Here's a detailed chapter-wise summary of Atomic Habits by James Clear. Introduction: The surprising power of atomic habits. James Clear introduces the concept of atomic habits, highlighting their immense impact on personal growth. He emphasizes that the core premise of the book lies in the idea that small, consistent changes, when compounded over time, yield remarkable results. Clear contrasts atomic habits with radical overhauls, emphasizing the compounding effect of minor adjustments in behavior and how they shape our lives. Chapter 1: The Fundamentals of Atomic Habits. Clear dives deeper into the notion of atomic habits as the compound interest of self-improvement. He delves into how small habits can lead to exponential growth and transformation by focusing on consistent incremental progress. The chapter underscores the significance of systems and processes over goals, advocating for the cultivation of sustainable habits. Chapter 2: How Habits Shape Your Identity, and Vice Versa. This chapter explores the intertwining relationship between habits and identity. Clear posits that our habits are not just actions but reflections of our beliefs and self-perception. He discusses the concept that changing habits requires altering our identity and internal narratives to align with the desired behaviors. Chapter 3: The 3 Layers of Behavior Change. Clear introduces the layers of behavior change: outcomes, processes, and identity. He asserts that genuine, lasting change occurs when one shifts their identity-based habits, transforming who they believe themselves to be at a fundamental level. Chapter 4: The 4 Laws of Behavior Change. Clear introduces and unpacks the 4 laws of behavior change: cue, craving, response, and reward. He provides detailed insights into how each law contributes to habit formation and change, explaining their roles and how they can be utilized effectively. Chapter 5: Make It Obvious. This chapter emphasizes the critical role of making cues obvious to initiate and establish habits. Clear discusses various strategies to create prominent, visible cues and redesign environments to make desired habits stand out. Chapter 6: Make It Attractive. Clear explores the art of making habits more appealing in this chapter. He introduces concepts like temptation bundling, habit shaping, and employing positive reinforcement to make habits attractive and enjoyable. Chapter 7: Make It Easy. Simplicity becomes the focal point in this chapter. Clear discusses the significance of reducing friction and making habits easy to start as key elements in establishing consistent behavioral patterns. Chapter 8: Make It Satisfying. The chapter delves into immediate rewards and reinforcement as crucial components in habit formation. Clear emphasizes the importance of feeling satisfied after completing a habit and how it reinforces continued adherence to habits. Chapter 9: The Role of Family and Friends in Shaping Your Habits. Clear explores the impact of social circles and relationships on habits. He discusses strategies for creating environments that support positive habits and navigating negative influences. Chapter 10: How to Stick with Good Habits Every Day. Insights into maintaining habits over the long term take center stage in this chapter. Clear discusses the significance of consistency, habit tracking, and dealing with occasional setbacks or plateaus in the journey of habit formation. Chapter 11: The Habits of Highly Effective People. The final chapter serves as a synthesis of the book's concepts and illustrates their practical application through real-life scenarios. Clear showcases how cultivating and nurturing atomic habits can lead to significant and sustainable changes across various spheres of life. Atomic Habits by James Clear provides an exhaustive and comprehensive framework for understanding and implementing habits. The detailed breakdown of each chapter offers actionable strategies backed by scientific evidence and real-life anecdotes, providing readers with a comprehensive guide on how to effectively cultivate, sustain, and benefit from positive changes in their lives. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe our channel for more content.